Hello, my name is Siddharth Gupta, a second year college student pursuing bachelor's in software engineering. Today, I'm going to represent my task number 9.2D of SIT-313 that is totally based upon the full stack development. Here, we have used these kind of TypeScript commands that has been obviously used for the JSON files. First of all, I just need to remember you the index.html file consists of the Deacon premium features, which includes the post editor features as well. So that is the kind of thing we are going to add in this project. Uh, Obviously, in the kind of node modules, we have all the node modules established here. And also we have used the Supabase as being the functionalities to migrate all kind of user post. With respect to that, we have also used the source library where all kind of app.tsx, index.css, and main.tsx files are being introduced. If we talk about each and every hook, there are some kind of things. For instance, context has its authentication context.tsx. With the same we have hooks, with the same we have library, and with the same we have these kind of pages. Now I just need to make sure like inside the pages folder we have implemented these kind of TypeScript files so that in each of the TypeScript files there are a plenty of things which have been inculcated with the help of these use effect and the use state respectively. As if now, if we talk about the graphs, we also use the graphs from the Lucid React so that all the things have been covered inside it through the npm install command itself if we're importing into the terminal. So that is how analytics part is being shown to you. With the same manner, we have these kind of motion, these kind of Supabase authentication and the markdown preview from these create post.tsx files. With the same thing, we have implemented this post, this payment success.tsx, this payment.tsx, these kind of things inside that. Now let's run this command. Here I have used the npm rundev, and now let's see the implementation. Implementation is right above there. Let's reload it. Now this is the screen which we are having. This is the user experience and the user interface. Now let's be it started. Here, for instance, I put this one and putting my mail ID to be this because I am registering for the first time. So it is saying user already registered. That means I already logged in with this one. So let's log in with that. So now let's put in the password and log it in. Now it has been successfully logged in. Now we can add with the post. We can go through with the plans. Simultaneously, we can have the create option. If we talk about the plans, here we are able to getting the two plans. The one is a free one and the other one is a premium one. We can go with the premium. We can basically continue to check out as well, and it is showing these kind of functionalities that has been already done with the help of post banners and themes. It has been using the advanced controls, having a detailed analytics dashboard and a priority support for the entire situation if we will be getting promoted to the premium option. And this is how the continue to checkout option actually sees. So right now we can also make the post. Let's do a one post. Let's deep dive about Deacon building, markdown support, for instance, Deacon career establishment, and we can say monetary support, something like that. This is an exception we can or we not. These are tags, for instance, in the act. We can have communication skills, we can have logical building, etc. The code snippet. Now in the code snippet, we have these functionalities, these options, Python, TypeScript, or JavaScript. For instance, if I'm using JavaScript, so we can use. For instance, if we don't know JavaScript, we can have this Python. We can import some kind of thing. For instance, if I have to import the runtime error, then it is automatically depicting the some kind of functionalities or the code snippet itself. Now let's import something else, like import warning, for instance. Now we can import not implemented it error. We can import. So these are kind of the things we can import into this one, and we can also publish it. So this is how it got published, and this is how it. There are the functionalities like how many people are able to see, how many likes are there, and how many comments are there. We can, if we click on this, we can have this one as a user interface. So this is our functionality. This is the login information like about me. Like I have logged into that, my account type and my uh, about my like from which time or from how many time or from how many years I will be the part of this dev at the ATK itself. So this is the premium functionalities for this program, and I hope this really satisfied my 9.2D task for SIT 313. So with this, thank you so much.